In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a Shopify website. By the end, you'll have a customized Shopify theme with your header, homepage sections, colors, fonts, layout, images, text, buttons, and navigation setup, and you'll know how it looks on desktop and mobile. First, go to Shopify. Open your store's admin dashboard in your browser so you can work inside the back end. Next, click Online Store, then Themes in the left sidebar. This opens your theme area where you can design your storefront. Click Customize on your current theme. The theme editor will load with a live preview on the right and a settings panel on the left. Edit the header. In the left panel, select Header. Upload your logo by clicking the image picker and choosing your file. Then set the menu for your header navigation using the menu drop-down. This controls the links at the top of your site. Make sure the correct logo appears and the menu items show in the preview. Edit the homepage section. In the left panel, click into each section on the homepage, such as image banners, featured collections, or text blocks, and adjust the content specific to each one. As you click a section, its settings appear and the corresponding area highlights in the preview so you can see changes instantly. Add or remove sections as needed. To add, click Add section in the left panel and choose the type of section you want, like a slideshow, collection list, or testimonials. To remove a section you don't need, open it and select Remove. This only affects the page layout. Your products, collections, and files remain safe. Click Theme Settings at the bottom of the left panel. This is where you define the global style for your Shopify website design. Set colors. Open the colors area and choose your brand's palette for backgrounds, text, buttons, and accents. Use clear contrast so text stays readable. Watch the preview update as you pick. Set fonts. Open the typography area and select fonts for headings and body text. Pick sizes and weights that are easy to read. The live preview helps you check spacing and line height as you go. Set layout styles. Open the layout or similar style settings to adjust container width, spacing, and section style options provided by your theme. Keep consistency so your pages look cohesive. Upload images in sections. Return to your homepage sections and upload the images each section needs. Click the image fields, choose files, and confirm they look sharp and properly cropped in the preview. Replace any placeholders so your site reflects your brand. Edit text and buttons. Update headings, paragraphs, and any call to action buttons in each section. Keep button labels short and clear and set each button link to the correct page, product, or collection so visitors can navigate easily. Click Save in the top right corner. Changes are not applied until you save, so make sure you see the confirmation that your theme settings are saved. If you're unsure about a change, you can save, review, and come back to adjust. Go to Online Store, then Navigation. This is where you control the menus you referenced in the header. Set menus. Open the main menu and edit the items so they point to the right destinations. Home, shop, collections, or any key pages. Add menu items with Add Menu Item. Give each a clear name and select a link such as a collection, product, page, or blog. Do the same for the footer menu if your theme uses it. Click Save to confirm your navigation updates. Preview desktop and mobile. Open your theme preview and use the device icons at the top to switch between desktop and mobile views. Scroll through the home page and the header to confirm your logo, colors, fonts, layout, images, text, buttons, and menus all look correct and work as expected on both screen sizes. That's it. Your Shopify website design is now set up, saved, and ready to browse on desktop and mobile. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.